like track down that bike, Scoob? Okay, Blackie. Whoa, I know.
Mystery! Halt!
Slow down, Scooby! Slow down!
Slow down, Velma! Slow down!
Huh? Crazy kids.
Scooby, stop pushing all those buttons.
Where are we?
Say, this is the Daily Babbler News Building. That's the newspaper you deliver, Shaggy.
Yeah. And like, hey, there's my boss, Mr. Conrad. Hiya, boss.
Oh, hi, Shaggy. How's your paper route going?
Not so good. My bike got, like, stolen.
But not to worry. We're hot on the trail of the thief.
I see. Well, there aren't any bikes around here. This is a print shop and no place for kids. Hey, that's dry printing ink. Get away from that.
Well, Scoob, I guess you made front page news.
I don't get it. And now, if you don't mind, get out. Get out! Get out!
Well, he wasn't very nice.
Let's, like, face it. There's no trace of my bike anywhere around here.
Don't be so sure, Shaggy. Scooby's hot on the trail.
Zoinks! Not again! Let's just hope this doesn't lead to, like, a dead end.